Hey, welcome to the Under the Hood Show. Here's another Hoodie Help Selfie question that we got in, this time from Maggie.
Hello, my name is Maggie. I am from North Dakota, but I'm currently stationed in Prescott. We will see what happens with that. But I was wondering why my car always says I need to change my oil soon. Like, how do I make my oil last longer? And also, I was wondering where I could buy blinker fluid.
Okay, we'll come back to the second one later, but let's start with the oil question for Maggie. The light coming on and how we can make it last longer.
Well, cars have a timer built in that goes by miles, load, speed, all those kind of things that turns on that light and alerts you when the oil needs to be changed. Unfortunately, it's not a perfect science. So the shops that change your oil will typically put a sticker up in the corner of the window indicating when it should be changed. And if the light's not on, well, unfortunately, sometimes they don't reset that system, so it's going to keep popping on. But it is important that you change it on a regular interval.
And as far as making the oil last longer, it's probably not in your best interest to think about it that way. It's more in regards to making sure you look at your intervals. If you know you've done a lot of long highway drives where the car has gotten good and warmed up, you can sometimes stretch out that interval a little bit and go longer with it. But the thing that is really hard on engine oil is short trips, lack of engine temperature, and sometimes you even have to change it more frequently when you're doing that kind of behavior with the car. Russ hits it right on the head. That light needs to be reset after each oil change, and we always try to run both the sticker and then kind of use a comparison to where that light comes on at. For your budget, sometimes you're going to say, hey, the light didn't come on yet. I'm okay. But if all of a sudden that light wasn't reset or there's a problem with that system or the algorithm doesn't match, we don't want you stretching it out too long.
And the problem, too, on that other thing is you can stretch it a little longer if you're driving long distances every day. But that also makes it come up faster, and it makes it seem like it was too soon when it's actually not.
There are very few vehicles that actually have a oil film indicator in them. They're starting to see a little bit more of it where it actually is physically judging the oil. Most of these, like Russ said, it's a crazy algorithm that gets built up based on your behaviors. And so we like to run with the sticker along with using that oil light.
And there you go. For the second question now, unfortunately, you're going to have to go in to your local parts store and ask that question to get that one answered. Wherever you are in the country, just go in and ask them about it. They'll help you out. That's another Hoodie Help Selfie from the Under the Hood Show. Thanks, Maggie.